Chamber Clean is the new, cleaner version developed specifically for the T-Edge.
Even though this is a pre- and post-vac mode, that cycle will always be in Class S, which is gravity with dynamic airflow removal. This will allow them to clean the chamber, and as usual, after its cycle, we do want you to run a cycle with nothing in it as well, okay? After those cycles are done, you're gonna open up the door, and then I want you to instruct them to wipe down the chamber, both the door cover as well as the chamber, with a damp cloth with deionized water, okay? Just to get out any of the residue that may be left over. You can also show them both the wastewater removal line as well as the reservoir removal line. If an autoclave is going to sit for any longer than 3 days, we always recommend that the account drain all the water, both the wastewater as well as the reservoir water. It's extremely important. We don't want a biofilm to form. A biofilm will have bacteria, and therefore sterilization will not be of the highest quality.